Morning!
We're going on a road trip today.
Okay, I had to go in and get another charger because I don't think the camera charged worth a crap.
I think it did. It's just gonna die quickly.
Probably.
Who knows?
But anyway, we have the trailer hooked up.
Ding, 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 ding.
And we are going on a little road trip to get the next bike build bike.
Yes.
Hopefully it is what everything this guy says it is, and I have the cash in the center console here, and we will buy it, load it up, and bring it home. If it is what he says it is.
Yes.
Plus, to make it more challenging,
Yes.
it just happens to be an ice storm going on.
Yes.
So we're going to drive 2 hours north to look at a motorcycle
That we may or may not come back home with.
that we may or may not buy, and then drive 2 hours back. We are currently on the Zilwaukee Bridge. Some may say it's the gateway to the north. I just say it's a big bridge. And it is so foggy you can't see nothing. Nada.
Nothing.
I will say the further north we get, the more the trees are drooping and leaning from the ice.
Yeah, there's been a few that have been broke off right next to the expressway.
The roads are fine. I haven't slipped at all once yet, and I'm doing the speed limit. But you can tell that, I mean, the ice is building up on the signs and everything else, and we are about 30 minutes away from our destination. Okay, we officially have a bike build bike now.
Yay!
So,
Woo-hoo!
I'm not sure if I'm going to show you guys yet. Maybe a quick glimpse, I don't know. But I am doing a bagger this year. I told the wife, everybody does choppers and bobbers. I want to do a bagger. So I found a bagger.
Yep.
That's what we're doing, a bagger. So now we'll have the bagger build going on this summer.
Yeah.
We ended up stopping in Mount Pleasant to have lunch with her brother.
Yep.
So that was a nice time. Spent a couple hours chit-chatting, eating food, having some laughs.
Just with them.
Yep. So now we are heading home, and the ice is like getting thicker and thicker. The roads are fine.
Yep.
But the ice on the trees just keeps getting thicker and thicker and thicker because it's raining, and it's like 32 degrees out. So it's like right at the freezing point. All right, we made it home.
Yep.
I have to speak a little louder because it's raining outside and it's a tin roof. But we're gonna do a quick sneak peek.
Just a quick peek.
Quick peek. Ready? Here it goes. There you go. See that? Huh? It was quick. But what it is it is a 91 Evo motor electric glide. So we're going to, I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet.
Ideas rolling.
There's ideas bouncing around, but I'm not positive what I'm going to do yet. Once I get it out and get it on the lift, then we'll go from there. But I can't do that until next month.
Right.
So,
It can't start until February.
but I can have ideas bouncing around until I can physically start the bike.
Yep.
Rules, I tell ya. Alright guys, we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you guys.
Thanks for following along.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
Good night.